Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, your sister, sweet mother, Gist TV. Yes, so my country people, how are you guys doing? How are you all really doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Yes, so my beautiful people, I'm here to appreciate every one of you that is subscribing to my channel, that is always viewing my videos. I appreciate
yes, so if you don't know it here when wabota wabava wabe me know of you wa sweet mother Gist TV if la diana because if you know what moment na if you do me man the feeling is deep na do me where a feeling na o marry deep nia o you know again no win your enogie abino enogie karowati enogie wi enogie boga iwe ni do tamo because a video we no de nogie ha edede ma ye nogie you don't pass boundary ugbere boundary na enogie mena do ladia na ina we ni do gu ugbere boundary do form my hand enogie no we mi warote enogie when I arrow era no bioma because eme sagana no roto na we uwana arrow gbe ogama bet enu waya arrow mi biwa oniede de ma we no gie ohama mu we oriri ma gbe kwa we una arrow my ho my own baba when they smell you no fear. You call the insult my baba when they smell my big bros. Ha! When my baba when they smell where all my money boom, all my money sell we care. No bino. Why it no get name in what from today go, I'm calling you Abino because who is a blishy a skinny when ye skinny na do afwa o ve no go man sagin ire nogie lawe gbe no gbe my friend come on body for them may you look your mirror may you look yourself enogie man me even weri fwa o ve no go man sagin ro egbe me ma ya we manibuya bere no ge me negbe je here enogie abino enogie abino uga wore gbe dami nu dami no de una se oman wawe gbawe saga una ya rove era no man do wawe saga or not una roviere baba we de smell era rovie shorty o gira rovie una atie ya gbete nogie o hama mu e oriri mamu e o ja akama ono na so ni mevo won we to buwe o we no gbe ne woro ori ne woro nogie emi nu koyoto euro because no sewe ewe rovie nogie no sewe rovie nogie ibi beleka ya na mebie ya ga be ladia ya be dorovie we nogie ibi beleka ya ne gie no ne de egbedu osi no erede ya ni ya mekwe legbe libia sefi iya gavela we bueno ge ya ave do rovio venu ya rovie no sewe kwesa gana ge social media saga venu ya rovie no sewe no ge ibie ka ya na mebie iya gavere do rovio wa ga me to no fwane no ge we ewa feelings not deep we ewa o enoge abino bino enogie owi ewa so nogie una wase nu wa gba mezo una ya roviera you are insulting my integrity. You have insulting my integrity. No. Oh, nogie. Abino. The feelings no more deep. Nogie abino. The feelings no more deep. Nogie abino. Gbere boundary. Nogie abino. Umona rovio. Ume pad mo fire una gele rovio agbo uyewa nogie abino ube mi nu ko ni ewuro ene wo gbe godota we egbe bieleka No me do robie wo yese o. Bia ki bia ka hia bia robie we no gie abino. Be nu robie ni nwe ave ni sewe. We me de se ibata ne baba we de smile ari lo to no gie abino. Ana mie baba we de smile we robie. Emi nu ko hangaro no gabino emi nu ko hangaro we na mie we e godota o yan ya ite we baby boy salo boy baby boy yeah have you the bottle le lobo na ya we baby boy come and drink your milk wa we party ti e me gbevo no gie o ke gbin fo wo ka no gie wa ke gbona pa o la gbe ona wa ke gbe no pa o la no pa watome no gie uha gbe kan no se baba we dey smell no so uha gbe kan no si we bolo no gie abino no gie abino wo ya tie no gie abino re abino bino no ri fo o we no go wan se gen iro egbe na saga muria owo yen wina no olobo no ni alobo e wa ke ya lo boy ake no de we bo no do we saga no do gbogi no gi abino we wato me e ma no gbe kan no gi abino because ken ka we e baba we dey smell o gbe kan ma ni bune me watch a video we no de no gi se baba we dey smell we said we said the way man we gbe kan e na we ta no gi. Before you touch somebody's own, you got to look your side, check yourself before you open your mouth and say somebody's own. No gie abino, no gie we, no gie boga. Oh, how to one now we party till him we be kind do aroviye. Oh, party till now ladia, odovie fi the bottle ni buno. Oh, well, lare baby boy. Baby boy, we don't have it. God daughter, we money no. Oh, baby boy, come here. Come and carry your feeding bottle. Yeah, we make gear. No girl, better boundary. I would be try no arrow. Era no be baba when they smell. If you try and next time, we'll come out. Not be only me, we may anyway get your word for mind. We be say. Things what you don't do pass. It can well like where baba where they smell. Not be say we don't know. We know where you follow enter. I gonna DJ ni naga gwige DJ name wisdom. And I'm here where baba where they smell. Na la dian we ni eseto wa. Una we he una ye ezoni. Una ya gbale baba where they smell. So now my kola dian ni ma do aje were. My mia o ma wa follow up. So we dey come for you enogi abino. Ima brushy. We don't brush our cocoa shoe finish. We go show you. You go see enogi. We go come out fully for you. We plenty. We will come out for you. So make you pack well. Okay, here when you lawa. Go and take care of your family. Okay, abine we. When I'm here where. Agbon here ogbe kan owe agbe kan ge wo ye ni ya oge e vera maybe watch a video vera no de vera where no gie abino o we ijin no vie wigi we o do leli gbini saga na ma we iya ayan pa yo no gie you fail no gie abino you fail abino you fail efe foul fa wa fail livono na ude de mi ana ogu egbin na ka wo pa e osun saga we so you have to bear it carry your load wo pa he wa ifese saga na o we to agbe na mi we ume nwina ya fi the bottle ni ma here vio no na ru ya nwe emiki because enwe edede go we hie ise nwe pa egu abino egu ye because they to we nwe wala wa no pe no ya gba family we no ya gwale nwe na shorty Eda emi man obo egbere nene webo ni machine na wa me so wa de webo yen wa do agbogi yen wa do azu yen do awe rubbish we media wa do hian short we na bino na wa china ni wa moevebu o wa monya hu ire abino na wa monya hu o we blishi we wa ni you see yonya do expose onisa we kie go boy ya kukuye no ya blish destiny we ya kwane ivu egbenu atebe ya nwene ni wuna sefu I believe you blish ya kwane uriyan hiro we wu no ya blish ni bukwa ive dagbon were na wow you know wa son menu when ya rowie no so we ni ibe ka ya ave amu we rowie o evinu ko ya ga ro inu ya rowie pa di mo fi ibe ka ya ave rowie o we ya rowie no sewe inu ga binu una we me saga egu we ban wa me ni boniru we because manibu wa mo gbe he we na ni ma ya bulala we no gi ma ya si we bulwa hien ewe na esa ewe na heme no gi ivu baby mama we ni se fige ni awo oje magi o ma we tie we na we gu we a baby father la ware nuwe na eri ma me no gu egwan ya bo we yo una we ke ba pa una ya arovie a viewers a followers yo ge baba we dey smell gbori yo won no gi mane followers mane correct followers o baba we dey smell na fi pe gi mo ha ma mo ri ma gbe ko we gbe mo no gi na me ma ya yere we ye gba your head not correct because those rubbish where they come out for your mouth not just correct at all. Ya gba o egbo enogi by bleaching that your cook and fanta body will be say now it could be like rainbow color when otima haire Userati boss with your cassava will be rambo go hide yourself enter house okay sagana asi o ebolwa ma we na ka oyun pogbera ni mo na fi were ma ya vela dia no we have lessef go kawa we na bata we was gbere sagana go run well Fravito we no we ibe o maybe do we wa we say o. Thank you all for watching this video. If you never subscribe, hit that red subscription button, share this video guys, and give a thumbs up.